Hi! In this video, you learn the A sound. A and I are vowels, and together they make the A sound. When you see two vowels coming together in words like A and I, the first vowel usually says its name, like in the sound A. Let's practice saying the A sound. Each time I point to A, I want you to say A. Okay? A. 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 Excellent. Now, let's practice reading A in some words. A, O, T, A, O, tail, tail, R, A, R, A, rain, P, A, A, pin, S, A, O, S, A, O, sail, tr, A, tr, A, train. Great. Keep practicing, and I'll see you another time. I love you. Bye.